camera, I have already completed, I did my brows, I have done my foundation, and I just wanted to do that because I'm like, I have a whole full video as far as like a tutorial for beginners on like my entire foundation routine, primer, brows, everything, and I will put it up in one of these spaces up here so that you guys can see that if you just want to see the complete look, you know, complete routine. But since this for Valentine's Day, girl, we is in a rush, okay? We don't have much time. Bae already texting, talking about where you at, are you ready? So we don't have much time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into eyes, and I'll just save the rest. But eyes is our main priority, honey, because you want a cute, fun little eye for Bae, you know what I'm saying? Y'all going to turn up for Valentine's Day, the day of love, and you just want a cute look, like a fun, sensual, sexy look for your man. So we're gonna do a cute little, it's not gonna be too much because I know some people, you know, don't really have the time to do something elaborate. So we're just gonna do a cute little soft pink glittery eye with a little bit of a cut crease. So I am using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to go into this very light pink, and that's going to be kind of like my transition color. So I'll put that over the lid. Y'all, I can't wait to show y'all this wig with this headband off because it is bomb and it is cheap, and you know I love cheap. So we got that in there. Now I want to kind of go in with this more fuchsia like pink at the top up there, and I'm going to do that right below the pink that I already have in there. Kind of dark it up, giving it a little more color. Okay, so now we have a little more color in the lid. So now we can kind of start cutting our crease, because again, this is gonna be like one of the most simplest looks, because I want you guys to be able to do it in a timely manner. So I'm going to take my LA Girl, and we just gonna create a little crease on my flat brush, and I'm just creating just a small little crease because I have glitter that I want to use. So okay, and it don't even have to be perfect because you're going to be popping glitter on top of that. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take my Dear Katie Brown, and this is actually from a collection that my best friend did with them, and it was the Texas collection. So everything, every color, every glitter that they used was Texas inspired. So the one that I am using is called Lone Star. Beautiful kind of purplish, pinkish color. So I'm just going to be popping that right on top of the concealer that I used to cut my crease. All right, so we got some glitter. Got some glitter on the lid. Now we are going to take a nice little highlight color, and I'm putting it right up under my, all right, we're gonna take a highlight color and put it right up under my brow bone. So we have a nice little pop and highlight right up under there. And now I'm going to take the color Deep Plum from the Crayon Case palette, and I'm going to kind of darken up the outer corners of the eye and kind of give it like a kind of smoked look. Alright, so that's really all I want to do to the eye, because I want to keep it simple as possible. So then I'm going to take, you already know my favorite combination, if you already watched the other video, you know, for liner, so we can get to the contour. Got my liner. I will go ahead, conceal, contour, and everything off camera so we can get to the outfit looks. Be right back. Okay guys, that is it as far as the makeup. I went ahead and added some Anastasia highlight, and I also added the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the color Strawberry, which is a cute, fun pink look to complete this whole Valentine's Day look. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the clothes and the hair. Okay guys, this is a complete look. I have this cute outre wig called Valentina, and I'll link that down below. I have a cute furry jacket. I feel like that it just set the look off. And then my cute little off the shoulder white dress from Pretty Little Thing, and I'll link that down below too. Thank you guys so much for watching.